Hi, this is Nicholas Fenner with the National Weather Service in Jackson, Mississippi, with a weekly weather briefing for the Arklamis region. Highlights for the forecast this week will be the multi-day threat for heavy rain causing flash flooding across portions of the area between Wednesday night through early Friday morning. Accompanying that heavy rainfall will also be a slight risk for severe thunderstorms. The timing for that will be between Wednesday afternoon and for portions of the area again on Thursday, with quieter weather expected as we head into the weekend. Looking at that flash flood threat specifically, Wednesday afternoon into early Friday morning, we're going to see an axis of heavy rainfall shift southeast across the area, beginning first in southeast Arkansas, northeast Louisiana, and the delta of Mississippi, where 3 to 5 inches of rain, maybe some locally higher amounts can be expected. With those sort of rainfall rates and amounts, we are expecting flash flooding to occur in portions of that area, expanding down towards the Natchez Trace corridor, from Natchez up through Jackson towards Columbus, Mississippi. Rainfall amounts will be lighter, with averages only about maybe 1 to 2, maybe 3 inches in a few spots as we get down towards the I-59 corridor from Hattiesburg up through Meridian, Mississippi. In those areas, flash flooding is still possible, but reports may be more scattered around as the rain is not as intense. Timing, again, we're looking at Wednesday afternoon through early Friday morning. The accompanying severe risk, before the heavy rain moves in Wednesday afternoon and evening for parts of the area, it does look like we've got severe storms possible, with the main threats being damaging wind and hail, but we could also see a few tornadoes across portions of the area. The greatest risk on Wednesday will be from northeast Louisiana into portions of Mississippi west of I-55, though other portions of the area could see some stronger thunderstorms as well. Then on Thursday, that threat for severe weather will shift towards the Pine Belt and through southeastern Mississippi. Again, all forms of severe weather would be possible during that time period. Looking at total precipitation expected over the next week, much of that coming between Wednesday through early Friday. We do have a couple of areas through the Delta region that could see as much as even 5 to 7 inches of rain, but widespread averages of 3 to 5 do look more likely, with rainfall amounts tapering off to about 1 inch to 2 inches in our southeast. Looking here a little bit closer at some specific values being forecast. Again, these sort of represent an average. Some areas may get a little bit more, some areas may get a little bit less. What will this do for our river flooding situation? Currently, we do still have the Mississippi River in various stages of flood, with those levels coming down as the flood moves downstream, and a few scattered reports of river flooding still going on, minor to moderate flood through portions of northeast Louisiana and central and western Mississippi. So if we do get the heavy rain in some of those same areas, we could see a return to river flooding problems as well as the flash flooding going on. So stay tuned through the next couple of days and be sure to listen to your local officials in case you have any flooding going around your county or parish. Again, just looking at the outlook here through the rest of the week, after we get through the periods of heavy rain and thunderstorm potential, during the middle part of this week, rain chances taper off towards the end of the week with a return to near normal temperatures. Thank you for tuning into our weekly weather briefing. If you have any questions, feel free to give our office a call or follow along on Facebook or Twitter or check out our website for updates throughout the week. Thanks again.